9 to 9 show where I share with you 9 things at 9 in the morning for less than 9 minutes. I'm your host, Kathryn Jones, founding design hacker, and let's get started. Okay, today we're going to talk about 9 web design careers you can do from home, okay? Number 1, you can sell websites. I've written out some notes here because I have a lot of things to say about this, okay? Number 1, you can sell websites. Cons of this, though. You must learn how to code. There's a lot of competition for other people, okay? And it doesn't necessarily give you a return because you're not selling stuff on websites sometimes. It's just like a homepage. Also, it's not a funnel. Number 1, okay? But you can sell websites. Number 2 is you can sell templates, okay? Pros of this is that they're repeatable sales, okay? But the cons of this is that it's limited in the sense that, you can only sell so many of a template before everyone's like, this is dumb, okay? Now, number 3, you can work for an agency, okay? Pros of this, steady work. Cons of this, limited in the sense that you're working for someone, okay? Number 4, you can do graphic design or logos, okay? Cons of this, you have to know Photoshop, and there's a lot of competition, and the national average for a graphic designer is $23 an hour. That's just not, we can do better than that, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, number 5. You can design related web materials in terms of like fonts, merch, words for blogs and stuff. Cons about this, little money, lots of time. Number 6, you can build and design funnels from scratch. Hey! Pros of this. Design hacking, you can know how to do this literally within the weekend. No coding, no Photoshop, no graphic design. And you can charge a lot of money per project. You can also charge per project rather than per hour, okay? Number 7 is you can redesign funnels. So rather than building things from scratch, you can go ahead and redesign to optimize their funnel for conversion using design, okay? The pros of this, again, design hacking. This is quick work and you can charge per project. Number 8, you can optimize funnels, okay? What's awesome about this is once you've either built a funnel from scratch or redesigned it, you can sign on for a recurring cost every month to go through what we call the ABCD plus swipes method, okay? This is design hacking for funnels, to go through and say like, okay, cool, are there any tweaks that we need to make every single month to make sure this continues to be optimized, okay? That's awesome because it's recurring money. And then number 9, you can sell your own products through a funnel. Pros of this, you can learn how to do this again with design hacking. Design hacking shows you how to design funnels that convert, okay? And this is very scalable revenue. So, if you want to go more in depth on any of those things, come hang out with us in our free Facebook group, Design Hackers Official. See you there.